I'm a big girl. Hey, Jake? Can you help me for a sec?
Is it still in there?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Ah! Stop it! What is this? How is this gonna work? Wait, once it's in there, what are you gonna do?
Run it outside.
Come on, bud.